Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
Eat 7 nuts, wait 3 hours and see what happens to your body. Surprising. New scientific research showed that eating a handful of nuts a day provides immediate protection against heart disease. Eating nuts regularly will greatly reduce risk and provide permanent protection to combat heart disease. Research also showed an improvement in cholesterol levels and flexibility of blood vessels, which helps a good blood flow. All this happened just 3 hours after people ate nuts or walnut oil. Regular consumption is key to taking advantage of the benefits of walnuts, according to Dr. Penny Creasy-Thurden, a professor of nutrition at Penn State University in Pennsylvania, who says eating only a handful of walnuts or walnut oil for 5 days a week can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. In this study, we specifically identified the relationship between eating nuts every day, in order to achieve better health. Eating 7 whole walnuts or just 3 tablespoons, 51 grams, walnut oil can improve the condition of the blood vessels in about 3 hours. Walnut oil proved to be especially good for the integrity of endothelial cells. They are the cells that line the blood vessels and play an important role in their flexibility. This study is not the first documented case of nuts where they are believed to be super beneficial to the body. Regular consumption reduces the risk of suffering from all types of cardiovascular diseases such as arteriosclerosis, hypertension, myocardial infarction or angina pectoris. It is also indicated in cases of multiple sclerosis, depression, lack of energy, or Alzheimer's, among many other conditions. Thanks to its magnesium content, it stimulates the production of white blood cells, improves the function of the nervous system, muscle, cardiovascular and bone. In fact, it helps prevent the formation of blood clots and even helps reduce blood pressure. The fiber of the nuts helps us eliminate waste from the body and lowers blood sugar levels. The proteins of the nuts favor the operation of our defenses and favor the good general functioning of our organism, participating in multitude of chemical functions.